Hey, what's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. This is our 2015 Dodge Charger all-wheel drive with the 5.7 liter Hemi. You cannot get a 2015 or newer all-wheel drive with the V8 from the factory because they were only offered to law enforcement. So the only way to get a V8 all-wheel drive is to get this one. Black and silver, two-tone. Runs and drives great. It's got a crack in the windshield. I just ordered a windshield for it as soon as I got it. It'll be installed on Friday, which is in just a few days. It'll have a brand new windshield because this one had a crack in it. Doesn't have the little center caps right now because it didn't come with them. Interior is nice. It's got carpet, not the rubber matted floors. It's actually got carpet. Most of these have the rubber matted floors, and most of them that I get come with a hard plastic back seat. This one's got it's like a new leather cushion back seat. So there it is. Jump on the highway. Spotlight works. So as long as you have the transmitter, I got the transmitter in my pocket, you could lock the door by touching the top of the handle and it'll lock. Or you can grab underneath side of the handle and it will unlock.
For a new Kia today.
It's got Bluetooth. So you can listen to Pandora on your phone or you know, get phone calls without having to grab your phone. You can answer the phone right here on the steering wheel. It doesn't look like it's focusing very well. So there's that big crack in the windshield. But like I said, I'll have a windshield on Friday. Today's Monday. So there it is. Go to interceptorking.com for current inventory. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. And like I said, you could be one of the very first people in the whole country to have a V8 all-wheel drive 2015 or newer Dodge Charger because they were not offered from the factory to the general public. You had to be law enforcement to get one. This has 122,849 miles at the time of this recording, and it drives great. All right, interceptorking.com. You guys have a great day. Bye.